This is part of the affidavit of the expert, Matthew Erickson. And this is the expert, Mr. Erickson, I asked if they had a written protocol in January 2022 or now for saving video. They responded they did not. 8, the individuals refused to provide me with a copy of the original video files that they originally pulled from the DVR system, stating that the information had already been provided to the defense counsel. I found that shocking. I mean, he flies all the way from Phoenix, Arizona, and they say, no, we already gave it to him. Well, why didn't Brennan tell him that on the phone?
Well, you find it shocking. I find it childish and unprofessional. I mean, look, we're dealing with a very serious case. It's obviously a very high profile case. There's a lot on the line. These are real lawyers on both sides of this. A lot of money being spent. Everybody's preparing for trial. We were told that, there's a new sheriff in town for the DA's office. And the answer is, we're not telling you because we already told the defense attorney, so beat it. So give it to them twice if that's the case. But none of this even makes any sense because, again,
No.
where did the fakakta video in the middle of trial come from? The inverted video. If everything was taped over, did that just appear out of nowhere? I mean, if you're being told that this is a 30-day recycle and it's gone, then that means all the video would have been preserved back in, February of 2022. Why wouldn't everything, all of it, have been preserved at that time, knowing what this case is and knowing that this presumably will be video showing the SUV with the taillight and who's there, who's doing what? I mean, presumably this would help the prosecution. And instead, there's nothing to see here. Never mind the man behind the curtain. Disregard that. There's just nothing to see. And years later, it's too bad. You have what we have. And to this day, what I'm waiting for is an explanation from the prosecution for why piecemeal video was disclosed before trial, why that video was missing key parts that just happen to include the car coming into the Sally Port. How convenient. Why other video was only disclosed in the middle of trial, why that video turned out to be inverted, reversed, whatever the word is, blocking other things, why, although it also shows everything else at the bottom is not reversed, and the people are coming and going, suggesting it is not only inverted, but tampered with in some way. And then why is other video only appearing in October of 2024? And then when the defense learns about that video and they finally come out to see the original video,